Hi everyone! Today I'm bringing you an absolutely delightful Middle Eastern classic, Maqluba. It's traditionally non-vegetarian, but I've crafted a vegan version that's not only healthy, but also incredibly delicious. Packed with high-fiber eggplants and protein-rich pinto beans, this gluten-free recipe is as nourishing as it is flavorful. And guess what? It's made with very little oil, so you can enjoy it guilt-free. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to prepare our eggplant. I've got a large one here, and I'll start by cutting it in half lengthwise. Then, slice it into thin pieces. Eggplants are such a wonderful ingredient. Low in calories, high in fiber, and super versatile. Now, I'm cutting one circular slice as well, because it'll serve as a decorative piece in our dish. Next, I'll soak these slices in a bowl of salted water. This step helps reduce any bitterness and ensures the eggplant stays nice and tender. We'll leave it there for a while. Now, let's move on to the filling. I'm adding a splash of oil to the pan, followed by one sliced onion. Sauté this for about 2 minutes while stirring. Then, in go 2 garlic cloves, some chopped jalapeno, and a handful of green peas. Stir everything together for another couple of minutes until the kitchen smells amazing. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of boiled pinto beans for that boost of plant-based protein. To season, we'll mix in a spoonful of curry powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. For some crunch, I'm tossing in roasted peanuts and adding salt to taste. Keep stirring this mixture occasionally for about 5 to 7 minutes to let all those flavors come together. Finally, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for that zesty freshness. And for a magical touch, I'm adding saffron water. Just a few strands of saffron soaked in water for a couple of hours. The fragrance is absolutely divine. Now it's time to assemble our maqluba. Take a deep pot and brush a spoon of oil at the bottom. Place a sheet of butter paper over it and sprinkle a bit of saffron water for added aroma. Place that circular slice right in the center. And to keep it in place, I'm using a small bowl while I arrange the larger slices around it. Sprinkle some more saffron water over the eggplants. Next, we'll add a layer of cooked rice over the eggplants. Carefully remove the bowl and press the rice gently to create an even surface. On top of this, we'll spread a layer of our pinto bean filling. If you prefer, you can swap the pinto beans with chickpeas or another type of bean. Cover the beans with another layer of rice and then drizzle the remaining saffron water over the final layer. Place the pot on the stove and cook it on medium-high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the pot from the stove and cover it with a large plate. Make sure it's big enough to catch everything. Now flip the pot upside down onto the plate. Gently lift the pot, and there it is. Our beautiful golden maqluba. Look at that! The layers of eggplant, rice and beans are stunning. And the aroma is absolutely irresistible. This dish isn't just a meal, it's a showstopper that'll steal the spotlight on your dining table. It's hearty, satisfying, and packed with wholesome ingredients. And while it's perfect on its own, you can serve it with a side of curd for an extra touch. The beans, rice, and eggplant come together so beautifully. This vegan Maqluba is flavorful, healthy, and a true crowd pleaser. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and wow your family and friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.